The next generation of plumbing is here. KMB Trenchless Sewer and Pipe Renewal offers no-dig pipe repairs. Using a special system, KMB can repair your compromised, non-functioning sewer line using UV light. No need to dig. Preserve your yard, landscape, and driveway. Prevent damage to wires and utilities. Your service is restored in no time. KMB Trenchless Sewer and Pipe Renewal with Light Ray technology. Watch this video for more details.
Roots are a huge problem for sewer pipes. As time goes by and roots continue to grow, they can penetrate sewer pipe walls, causing root intrusion. This means your sewer pipe can clog, leaving you with backups, slow drains, or even a sinkhole. These sewer problems can be even worse if you have cast iron pipes. When you hire us, we can video your sewer line and find the pipe damage. Once found, we can custom tailor a repair plan and fix the problem for good. In most cases, we can perform these sewer repairs without costly excavation. First, we cut the roots using a high-speed root cutter. Next, we hydrojet the line using our high-pressure water jet to remove any sludge or buildup. A new pipe liner is installed into the old host pipe through an existing cleanout or toilet drain. Once cured in place, the new pipe liner creates a fully rehabilitated pipe that is fixed for good. Most importantly, this new system is completely sealed, eliminating the possibility of infiltration and exfiltration. Save money. Save your sewer. Save your property.
KMB can clear blockages and restore service at restaurants, public facilities, and even your own home. It's fast, practical, and state-of-the-art. KMB Trenchless Sewer and Pipe Renewal. Call today and leave your plumbing problems behind. 24/7 emergency service at 570-460-0111.